Hello everyone, welcome to Study Desk for You. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe so that you will get all uploaded sessions from Study Desk for You. And turn on the bell icon for further notification. And coming to today's topic, today I would like to discuss about one of the important topic in Excel, that is conditional formatting. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to apply these conditional formatting in an easy way. But before we get started, let's have a look at agenda for today's session. So first, I'm going to discuss about conditional formatting, what is the purpose and why we are using this conditional formatting. In this, I'm going to discuss two options. First option is highlight cell rules and then top bottom rules. And the next, I'm going to tell you how to clear those rules. Apart from this, I'm also including exercise for practice on real-time data. So without any wasting time, let's have a look. If you want to highlight top bottom values, it is better way to use conditional formatting. By using this conditional formatting, we can highlight cells with different colors based on a cell value. Now why this conditional formatting and when we are going to use this conditional formatting? Suppose our worksheet is having thousands of rows of data, then it would be extremely difficult to see those patterns in our content. In these kind of situations, Excel provides conditional formatting which is used to visualize our data for better understanding. And this conditional formatting is quick, simple, and all you need a few clicks. But the best part is you don't have to write a formula for this. And if you want to learn this concept in an easy way, then let me tell you how to use it. So first, I have a table with this data. First, numbers, then text column, then dates. Again, I have taken this numbers. Purposely, I have taken like this. Now first, I want to highlight some cells based on a condition. I have given a condition, then based on that condition, my values gets highlighted. So for that, first select the values, go to conditional formatting. Here we have different options here. In this first one, highlight cell rules, and this first one greater than. If you want to display above the value, based on that particular value, our cells gets highlighted. For that, for example, I'm going to display my numbers above 50. For example, click on this greater than and a pop-up dialog box will appear. In this first cell, you have to enter number. My criteria is 50. Now I want to display above 50 numbers, and if you observe, if I enter 50, already the numbers gets formatting. And the next box is for formatting. Here we have drop down list. Defaultly it is in red color. If you want different color, you can select from this drop down list. So I'm going to select green. So it displays all the values in the green color. Now click on OK. So this is about greater than. So basically conditional formatting is nothing but formatting the contents or formatting the cells based on a condition. Now next one, less than. If you want to display the numbers below the criteria. For example, I'm going to select these cells and I'm entering 45. Now I want to display below 45 numbers should be in different color, that is red. So if you click on this OK, the numbers are in red color. Now if you want to clear the rules, use this clear rules. Here we have two options, clear rules from selected cells, clear rules from the entire sheet. If you use this entire sheet, all the formatting effects which are having headings all are cleared. So better to use selected cells. Here I am going to use clear rules from selected cells. So all are cleared. The next one is between. If you want to display the numbers between two values. For example, I am going to open between and this I am going to enter 40 and 67. I want to display 40 to 67. In between I have only three numbers having different color. So if you want different color, use this one. And apart from these colors, we have one more option here, custom format. If you click this, A dialog box will appear, that is format cells. We have number, font, border, fill. Here we can change font style, font size and color, background color, all those things. So right now I'm closing this. I'm selecting yellow color and click on OK. You will get yellow color. Again, if you want to remove the rules, clear rules from the selected cells. And the next one is equal to. At the same thing, similarly you can also use equal to if you want exact value. Suppose if you want to display 50, so it displays exactly equal value with a color. If you want different format, you can select from the drop down list. Now I'm going to close this, and the next one is text. What about text? If you want to display your text contains a text, then now go to conditional formatting. I'm selecting some cells. Go to conditional formatting, then click on text that contains. If I click this, in the first cell, January is the default value. If you observe in my selected cells, it already formatted with some color. If suppose I'm going to change this as May, it automatically affects with color. Now I'm changing this color with green and OK. I purposely return with duplicate values so it gets highlighted. Now if suppose I'm changing this February to May, so May, that value is automatically changes based on its conditional value. So that's why this is very useful in Excel for formatting. And the next one is dates. So if your cells contains dates, then select the values, go to a date occurring, and my criteria I want to display next week. So it displays the next week date values in different color. So like this you can use dates in your column. So right now I'm removing all the rules here. Select cells. From select cells. Now here also I'm removing all the rules from the selected cells. And now I'm coming to next one, duplicate values. Purposely I have taken some duplicate values here. So in the highlight cell rules, last one, duplicate values. Now I want to display duplicate values. It automatically selects red color. Selected in red color. Now I'm changing this to yellow color. 23 3 times, 78 2 times repeated. So this is, and here I have one more option here, that is unique. If you want to display unique values, so select unique, and unique are in some green color. So click on OK. If you observe, all the green color values are unique values. So in this we have two options, unique and duplicate. So right now I'm clearing from selected cells. So this is about conditional formatting highlight cell rules. Now coming to top bottom rules. If you want to display topmost items or topmost values, then how to use? Here I have one more table here to explain top bottom rules. I have taken a table with the student ID, student name and marks. Now I want to display top 10 student marks list. For that I am going to select the list. So first I selected the values. Go to conditional formatting, top bottom rules, and this will have top 10 items. If you click this, all the values are selected because I have 10 values, so 10 values are selected. Now I want to display top 3 values, so I am decreasing this value to 3. So it displays top 3 values. 67 is repeated, so it displays in double time. So if you want in different color, you can select in different color and click on OK. Now I'm closing this. So this is about top 10 items. Similarly, you can use bottom 10 items. So it displays total 10 values. Similarly, we have bottom 10 items. We can use similarly. So first select the values, then go to conditional formatting, bottom 10 items. So it displays all the 10 items, gets highlighted. Now I'm going to decrease this value to 3. And if you want to select the color, you can select. Now click on OK. It displays the bottom 3 items, but it has 45 is repeated, so it displays in 2 times. So the next one is top 10 percentages. Same thing. If you want to display percentage wise, so click on this, and if you selected top 10, then it percentage, then it displays 98. It selects 98, and I'm going to increase this to 20 percentage. So it selects one more value, and based on this, if you increasing the percentage value, it adds different values based on that percentage. So this is about percentage. Similarly, I hope you can understand this bottom 10 percentage values. And now coming to above average and below average. So suppose above average, if you observe while selecting these values, here you will get average as 59.1. Defaultly, automatically it is calculated. Now I want to display above average, so above 59.1 I want to display. So if you select this, the formatting effects, we can change the formatting color and displays the above average, above 59.1. So same thing for below. So select the values and conditional formatting, click on this below average. So it displays the below 59.1. So this is about top bottom rules. If you want to clear all the rules, use this clear rules. This is the basic concepts in conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and top bottom rules. Here we have three more options here: data bars, color scales and icon sets. We'll discuss in the part 2 session. Now I'm going to add practice for this session. So in this practice, I have a table with day-wise sales in a month. So from 1 to 30th date. I have a table like this. Now I want to highlight top 10 days with the highest sale. So for that, first select the values, go to conditional formatting, top bottom rules. I'm going to use top 10 items. So here it displays all the top 10 sales details in yellow color, in green color. So click on OK. So this is our real-time data, like looks like this, date with the sales, and this I applied some conditional formatting top bottom rules in this top 10 items. Similarly, you can use all these options in highlight cell rules or top bottom rules. First, I'm going to apply clear rules from selected cells. Now I want to display which sales amount should reach 4,000 amount. So for that I'm going to use greater than. In this I'm going to apply 4,000 amount and click on and select color. So I'm displaying in yellow color. Click on OK. It displays all the above 4,000 values. So this is the way how to use this conditional formatting in two options. First, watch the session completely and do this practice so that you will get complete idea about the session. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. For online or offline classes, please visit our website www.tretelenotech.com, and for more tutorials, visit our website www.kenisworld.com. And if you like this session, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon for further notification. Thanks for watching.